Do you know what this is? Ever seen this tree before? It's a nut, French nut. I've searched wide and I've searched far. I've looked up and I've looked down. There's no place else in Jamaica. You want to bet me? Come, give it a try. We all know the health benefit of a peanut, but this French peanut is totally different. Rich in vitamin, high in protein. You want to give it a try? Come, we're gonna dock into Port Antonio, where we can find this succulent tree. This tree, there's just something different about this tree. The taste, the flavor, everything. The right person to tell you about it is Kingo. Come, let us journey into Port Antonio where we can meet this guy, so he can tell us much more about this wonderful peanut, French peanut.
Start talking to her, man. I know if Eddie can I don't want to talk to me, I don't check it out.
Where? Afternoon or morning?
Any time of day. Remember the people.
Good afternoon, people. This is Kingo. My right name is Trevor King. But for my park, as you can see, welcome. Welcome, one love, one step, Kingo, big tree, nature park. You know this park, I tried to create it as a theme for people. Come by, sit back, relax, and look. You can notice each carcass you see here is the bottle cork that come from the natural drinks that you drink from the bottle. Instead of to throw away the cork or to litter the cork all over the place, I combine them together and make patterns with them. As you can see the word of my park. On the other side, you can see the flag, our Jamaican flag. Our sign, out of many one people. But there's a lot of things can done with the Jamaican cork. Not only the bucket alone, but the cork itself can do a lot of artwork. Go over this side, small female. Small female. Just a small female here. Yeah. Just to show what can be done. What can be done on this park. Now there's a big tree behind me with everyone crazy over. Crazy over. Well, for the cork, look here. These are the cork that I take up back then to make pattern. So we got a lot more pattern to put in soon and very soon. So as I say, there's a big tree. Big tree, stronger, big tree. Now this is it. Now this tree begins from a small tree like this one, maybe bigger than this one. But it's a bird who take the seed there and leave it on a tree like this, and so it stay there and germinate. Send roots down to the tree that it was on, it take all of that tree. So you see that tree hit no more, which is begin from here. Here is the foundation, is the root of the tree. Because a tree like this, as I told you, was here before and it was on it. Stay there and germinate. Send roots down and take hold of that tree. So all these leaves coming from the top is the root. The root will come from the bottom and to go up. It comes from the top and come down. Hit the ground and stay there and develop. Now people, for instance, I'll show you one. Come on. Now I try to prove this to a lot of guests, that the root doesn't come from the bottom and to comes up like this one. This root comes from the bottom. All of these roots come from the top, come down. To really show guests that comes around because they could believe that the root of this tree is in the top, not the bottom. So I cut this one. You can see here it goes from here. And I cut it here. And so I take out this piece. Now you can see people, they start to begin to go back from there to come down to hit the ground to start to develop from there. So the root of this tree is in the top because the life of this tree is in the top. So if you should cut it here like I cut it here, if you notice this side of it dead. Right now, no good. That is it. See? Rot out. As you can see. But the life of it is in the top. So it begin root from there to come down. This is one of it. Coming down. To hit the ground just like any one of these. They begin just like this. And people, every one of these you see here begin like this. Just like this. This part of the tree here becomes the second, third part of the tree. Send the roots out and come down. Come down. Every one of them come down. Come down on the tree side. Now this is the root. As you look, see where it's coming from. All the way up. So it is coming down to make a reinforcement in the ground to stop the ceiling from breaking. Whenever breeze catches, it goes break. But because of the salt water, this one is able to eat the ground. Like any one of these. Just like this one. So everyone else, as you see there, started out like that one and end up like this. I'm going all the way back like any one of those that you're looking on there. Now from when I'm a kid, I used to come around in this street. I wasn't having a route like this. Nothing like this because I was a scout. I used to take a lot of scouts over here to camp, but not this side, over on the other side. We usually come this side to have a swim on the water. So we know this tree long ago. When way back in the 60s, I know this tree. I've been here many times. But since I become a man, I decided to take hold of this tree because it's a beautiful tree. When I take this tree out with some of my colleagues, in 2010, they told me that the tree was 410 years old. Now come around this side, you can see some more. Now these are some more of the root that comes out. To elevate the limb. So as I said, not to break. We elevate all of these out here. Everyone that comes down is to make strength for the tree. The root comes down, not up. If you notice people, every other tree that you notice, the root goes up. This one comes down. So we're going to show you a small one again that's coming from the tree to make a reinforcement for this part of the limb. As I said again, please, the root. You see this root? Look at it. Coming all the way from the top, coming down. As soon as it hit the ground, it becomes one of those roots that you see there. But it's coming from the top instead of coming from the bottom and coming up. For most trees, the root comes from the bottom and goes up. This one comes from the top and comes down to make root. This, if you notice the beauty of this tree and how large it is, it takes up 3 and a half square of land. with all these roots that comes down, spread all over. Look at this one. This is another root that comes down lately and hit the ground and start to develop here. So right now with this tree and the ground, we have camping ground also. I'm going to take you to where you can pitch your tent and can camp. You have a small semi-beach. You can sit back, relax, have some water wet up. Not for swimming right now. I'm going there, but you don't reach there as yet. But to relax on the beach, that's it. We're going to the campground. This is another road that come down lately. It's about 3 years old since it hit the ground. 3 years old. Now this is another one. That's just hit the ground. No, you can't break this one. You can't break this one. Anyone can climb this one. Right up to the top if you need to climb it. We have a lot of climbers come here and do climb it and go up. So we're going to the camping ground. So here, picture like a semi-tent, a 2 or 3 person right here. Also have a seat, can sit back, relax as a one-man seat. Here, you need a smoky joint. Very good. Here also can fit your tent and can stay right here. A lot of people stay here and stay there, and it's a nice little seat. Can sit back, relax, look at the atmosphere downtown, want to bounce up the sea. You can sit back, relax. Enjoy yourself. And there's another tutorial. Small walkway from back down. Relax. You really like it, you really good sport. Just sit back, relax. Have a drink with you and your partner. Looking in the ground. Watching the waves. You need to watch back the park. Look back in the park. Surfing. Very nice. Beautiful sea. Beautiful sea. This is good for everyone. People, come by and visit Kingo Big Sea Nature Park. It's here for each and every one. need to put some swing in so we can get some swing for kids and adults to swing, you know, and some hammer, at least 10. We need to put some more seats in, but soon and very soon we'll put this in. And get the car going. As we look further down, you can see the beach down there. If you need to get in contact with me, my number is 876 825 25 25. Yeah.